Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at the new Ulanzi DR-02 strobe light, which is a new improved version of its predecessor, the DR-01, which I featured on the channel a while ago, and you can check that video out here. So let's go ahead and see what this one's all about. Inside of the box, you get a quick start manual, the strobe light. You also get a Type-C USB cable to charge the unit, and two rubber bands that are for holding the light in place when attaching it to the arm, which I'll show you in a bit. Now, the first thing that's immediately noticeable here is that it's much smaller in size than the original version, which I have right here for you guys to see the actual visual comparison. As you can see, the DR-02 seems to only have 2 LED lights, as where the other one has 6. Now, Ulanzi doesn't specify the exact lumen power that either of these two have, so I couldn't really tell you, but this newer version is supposed to be much brighter when it comes to emitting light. They do advertise it as weighing 6.5 grams, but we're going to go ahead and place it on the scale to see what it actually weighs compared to the other one. To turn on the light, you press the small button here for 2 seconds, and the first light mode will go into action. Now it has 2 light modes. One is the strobe, and the second is the beacon mode. You also have 3 color options to choose from, like white, green, and red. On the back of the unit, it has a Type-C USB slot for charging it, and inside of this little guy is a 3.7 volt 110 milliamp hour battery that's supposed to give you an 8-hour operating time. One thing I do notice here is that it doesn't have a rubber cover like the DR-01 has to protect it from dust and, water moisture. Not sure why they left that out in their design, but I personally would have preferred to have a protective cover on there. Over here on the bottom is the Velcro strip to attach it to the top of your quad using the provided Velcro stickers. But what I really like about this new version is that you can now attach it directly to the drone's arm using a rubber band to hold it in place. So you can basically outfit your drone with either 1 or 2 lights on the front and back arms. I do suggest using one of the provided Velcro stickers if you're going to place it on the arms, as the rubber bands can wear out or snap, and having it Velcroed on will help keep it hugged in place. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys some test footage using the light, and hopefully we'll see if there's any notable differences between the DR-01 and the DR-02. In my opinion, I think that the DR-02 definitely has more luminosity and color clarity, but that's just me. If you guys saw it differently, do let me know in the comments. Anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you all again for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, and for those of you who are new here, feel free to subscribe to the channel and click on that notify bell so that you don't miss out on my future videos. All right, see you on the next one.